Hi everybody, this week for lunch this is going to be my lunch and dinner, and probably make a few meals for me for this week. I got this Parmesan crusted potato medley for only $1.99, and so I'm going to make this, and then this Italian style meatballs were only $2.50, and it looks like it's past the expiration date, but it was probably frozen, so I'm sure it's fine. Okay, so I have this knife here, and I am thinking, oh, here is the Parmesan crust medley. It says to leave the film on, and this is a tin, so I'm going to reuse that. And then here is the meatballs, and I'm going to put this on my tray. See, how do I get these out? Ooh, I'm gonna need a spoon, I think. Okay. These look so delicious. It says mozzarella rustica, Italian style meatballs blended with mozzarella cheeses and herbs. So, I want to see what this feels like. Oh, it's just meat. Okay, so you know what I think I'm gonna do? I think I'm only gonna make a few, and I can always use the meatballs as ground beef for other meals. Well, I don't know. I think I should just cook them and just have them ready. And then if I want to put it like it's spaghetti, I could just throw the meatball on top, or just smash it up and put it in there. Or if I make chili beans, I could just smash it into the chili beans, even though it's cooked. So, you know what? I'm just gonna cook them all. Might as well. I got the toaster oven on. These are big. This is a lot of meat right here. I'm just gonna cook them all. I kept thinking, well, maybe I'll save a couple, but I might as well cook them, and then I could always freeze a few meatballs, because realistically, I'm only gonna eat 2 in a meal. That's enough meat for me. And then if I want to make a taco with it later, I could just smash it up. It's already cooked, and I could just throw it in a tortilla or a burrito. These are kind of hard to get out, I think, because they're real sticky. Okay, so let me space these out a little bit. I think that's good. Okay, I'm gonna stick this in my microwave. It had said to, on the directions, it had said to, let's see, preheat your oven for, I don't know how long, it just says preheat. And see, bake for 30 minutes. Let stand 2 minutes before removing film, okay? Use caution, packaging will be hot. I'm sure it will. So it doesn't seem to pierce it. So, let's see. Here is my toaster oven. Ooh, it's really hot. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna stick that on the top, and then I'm gonna stick this on the bottom. I think that'll be fine. Okay, now I'm just gonna cook both at the same time. And it says to cook those potatoes for 30 minutes at 425. Let's see, what is it at? I always have it at this temperature right here because I make pizzas. That seems to be the only thing I ever make is pizza. So, does that look like 425? Maybe right there. Okay. So that is cooking. I gotta let that cook for 30 minutes, and then when it's all done, I will show you how it turns out. Okay, everybody. I'm excited to try this out. And let me see. This is what I'm making. This is going to be my lunch and dinner, and probably lunch and dinner again tomorrow. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe.